Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve market positioning with Nielsen, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your market positioning with Nielsen, start by defining your target audience clearly. Identify the demographics, preferences, and behaviors of this audience. Next, gather relevant Nielsen data that pertains to your product or service. Access Nielsen's consumer insights reports to understand market trends. Analyze the competitive landscape by reviewing Nielsen's competitive analysis tools. Focus on key performance indicators that are vital for your business. Utilize Nielsen's audience segmentation tools to refine your market strategy. Engage with Nielsen's panel data to gain insights into consumer behavior. Conduct a SWOT analysis using data from Nielsen to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Evaluate the positioning strategies of your competitors through Nielsen's resources. Align your product's unique selling propositions with insights gleaned from Nielsen data. Use Nielsen's marketing effectiveness tools to track campaign performance. Adjust your marketing strategies based on real-time feedback provided by Nielsen Analytics. Test different positioning approaches using Nielsen's A/B testing capabilities. Solicit customer feedback through surveys and focus groups linked to Nielsen Insights. Implement changes based on your findings to better meet consumer needs. Continuously monitor your market position through Nielsen's ongoing reporting. Regularly review and update your data strategy to remain competitive. Ensure collaboration across departments to fully leverage Nielsen Insights. Stay informed about new Nielsen services that can enhance your market positioning strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Nielsen to improve your market positioning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.